Hey there, I'm Eddie Richards. I live at 5449 Coventry Avenue in Pensacola, Florida. My phone number is 850-748-4646. I got messed up and I got both knees pulled apart in my right ankle and I couldn't go to the hospital like everybody else because I didn't have the right insurance or something. But either way, I had to build a unit for me to walk because I was on crutches. And I'm a lazy person and I didn't want to have to carry the crutches. So what I've done is I built this desk over here. Now this desk has manufactured many times, but this is where I work. I made this after COVID come along, so I'd have me a shield up here if I was going to have a COVID, but I don't have one of them today because today I want you to understand the pleasures and the joys behind having a decent desk. Now this right here is where I work. Now contrary to popular belief, if I'm going to sit here and work, the first thing I need to go back and remember is I need to be moving my legs and my knees and my ankles because remember I got my knees messed up, so I need to exercise them while I'm working. Now right over here on this side, if you notice, I got some screwdrivers. Well, I'm going to put my coffee over here. I got some screwdrivers and adjustable wrenches. I got all kind of wire strippers. And then on this side over here, I got pliers and open-end wrenches and wire cutters and tape. And I got channel locks down here. I tear all kind of stuff apart here all the time. But while I'm tearing all this stuff apart, I forgot to remind you that what I actually set out here to do with my walking, I am actually bending my knees, my ankles, my toes, and the lower part of my back without hurting myself or without being strenuous. This curtain is up here in case a woman happens to be sitting at this desk. It's still a protective thing and you still got everything in control. One of the neater parts of it is to be able to sit here and keep walking. Now you can't walk down the road and take a drink of coffee, but you can walk and
look at that.
You can take a drink without spilling it, and it can sit right here on your desk because this is your desk. If you had a computer, what they call them, a sex toy, a laptop, and you had it right here, you could go here and you could go keep doing whatever you was going to do, but the big thing is you would still be walking. Now, if you decide you would like to, you can always reach up here. Now you're reading your computer and you're just kind of sitting here hanging on. Now, it depends on how much pressure you want to put on these arms. Ain't nobody got to know how much pressure you're putting on them. You can put a little bit, you can put a lot. You can push your shoulders forward and keep lifting upward. You can pull your shoulder to the back and lift upward, and the muscles in the middle of your back goes down through your back and pulls on the back of your back. You can put your hands out here and curl them backward. Now we're doing curls. And all you got to do is count the number of swings that you make, and that'll be how many exercises you've done. Most of the time, about 30 on any of these will wake you up very much so.
Let's see the back here.
You can turn this around and you can catch them right here just like this.
He still got that?
And you can pull right here.
Look at that.
And this gives you a pull here. Now, this out here, this opens your lungs. When you reach out here with your arms like this, it opens your lungs up. It helps you breathe. You can feel it run across your chest from breast to breast right here. All you got to do is just keep putting pressure, and it walks down your arms slowly. I don't know why. Maybe everybody's different, but it comes across here slowly for me as I'm up here hanging on like this. Of course, if you turn your hands around this way, that presents a whole new category right here, but you're still stretching the lower part of your back, the top part of your back, between your ribs. You're pulling everything apart, allowing your blood to flow better, so you have to feel better automatically off of what you've just seen. Now I have another bar here in the back. Around here I got a bar in the back. And this one right here was just made, this was the first one I put on here. And this is just for lifting. Now the more unique parts is this right up here has got a place where you can lift from 3 knuckles or 2 knuckles or 1 knuckle. There's 1 knuckle right there. I found out I can't pick myself up from that, but I'm not going to do that today. But then you can turn your hands here and it's like milking a cow when you're pulling back here. And it cuts down the air that you're breathing. You can't believe what a strain it puts on you. Then you can reach down here, catch hold of this right here, and it pulls all the way through the middle of your chest down to the top of your belly. Then you can reach and grab this out here like this, and it pulls right between your shoulders and your neck, and it twists it. Pulls it really hard. Then you can put your hands out here like this, and this pulls on the middle of your back, all the way down through your belly. Then you put your hands up here like this, and you can have another whole strenuous exercise. It just depends on what you want to do. But the bottom line being is I have only shown you 50% of what can be done sitting at this desk. I'm telling you, 50% is all I have shown you.
That's right.
I haven't gotten excited about nothing. I haven't gotten out of the way. The bottom line being is this desk can be manufactured for anybody. It can be built smaller, so a 5-year-old in a hospital bed, you can put this desk in the bed, put the child in the desk in the bed, and he would get better quicker because he could move. If you can move, your blood transfers through your body quicker and easier.
Right.
You'll get well quicker. All you have to do is be able to move, is to just lay there in that damn bed.
Okay.
Now, if he was here, he could eat. He could do whatever he wanted to do. He could pull his body. It wouldn't matter if you're 80 years old. When I first made this desk, this right arm had not worked in years. And now I can do all kind of stuff. I mean, this doesn't seem like much to most people. Raising your arms up ain't much to most people. Let me tell you, when you get to where you can't raise your arm up, it's something.
That's right.
And now I can pick my arms up and I can pull myself up and things, and I have not done anything I could consider exercising because I'm still sitting here on my nasty. I'm still drinking my coffee. I'm having a wonderful day. Me and God love you. Please get a hold of me. Let me make this for a bunch of people.
And look at this. We got even guitars if you want. You can put that up there if you want to. You can customize it yourself, I'm sure, and add anything.
These
up
desks
top.
are manufactured in many different ways. We'll take this desk over here. This one right here was made for a person 5 foot higher or shorter. Now this one over here is made a little different. Now all of them you don't get to see it, but they all, if you look right here, they got coat racks on both sides. They got a place to put your umbrella. This one over here has got a fan hanging on the far side over there.
There you go.
It's got a mirror on this side in here, but it's still got the curtain here so it can't nobody see. I call this one right here my Brougham. I call this my Coupe de Ville, and that one over there where I sit, that's my Eldorado. That one fits me perfectly. But they're all made just a little bit different. And the width of all of them will go through any door with no problem. It just slide right through there. That's the way I made them.
Wow.
Me and God love you. This is a miracle from God because I had no measurements when I started building it. I did not know what I was building nor why I was building it. I just kept doing things as I was told by God to do them. And that's what I've come up with, and it's a complete miracle.
It is amazing. I have experienced it myself. And that's the video for today. And we'll be back at you later. I'm sure this is the first or one of many videos that will be made by us here at Mr. Eddy's house. And we'll make some many more, as we say. Like he said, tell him again, Eddy.
Eddie Richards, 850-748-4646. These need to be manufactured for hospitals, dojos, chiropractors' offices. This is good to rehabilitate any part of your body under any condition. It doesn't matter how you've been injured. This will help you. And if you're not injured, you'll want to sit here because it just makes you feel better. Honest to God, I can't believe what a mental stress relief this has been since I got it together. Me and God love you. I hope y'all have a happy day.
Be blessed.